Plug the other end of the network cable into the computer's Ethernet port. Insert the software installation USB disk. Let's turn on the computer. Find the folder in U disk. Double-click to open. Copy the printing software. Then return to the previous levels. Find D disk. Then create a new folder. Paste the compressive packages you just copied in this folder. After pasting is complete, we unzip the compressive package to the current folder. After the compression is complete, double-click to open it.
You can see printing software and RIP software,
Photoshop, testing diagrams, motherboard programs, and configuration files. We first open the printing software. Unzip the compressive package. After the compression is complete, double-click to open the folder. Find the icon. Then we right-click and send to Desk Shortcut. The icon for this printing software is on the desktop. Then we will right-click here on the network. Open Network and Internet Settings. Then find the option to change adapter. We find Ethernet. Right-click Properties. Find Protocol versions 4 and double-click. We find the IP address using the following. Click and enter. Then left-click here on the subnet mask. Just click Confirm. Click Confirm again, then you can close the window. In this way, our printing software installation package is completed.
Step 1. Enter the Shenlan software directory. Copy files from the RIP directory to the desktop. Step 2. Run Caldera doc for installation. Check the box for creating desktop shortcuts. Step 3. Run Caldera installation. In the pop-up window, wait for the completion of API service installation. Close the window after completion. Step 4. In the Start menu, drag the Caldera icon to the desktop. Step 5. Restart computer. Then open Caldera doc. Check if the licenses have been authorized. Minimize Windows. Step 6. Open Caldera. Choose Honor. Go to the Edit menu. Open Settings. Open the Display One More Decimal Places option. Step 7. Enter Media. Click on the Import icon. Browse to the desktop Caldera folder. Import Media TGS file. Enter Devices and Presets. Import Media TGS file. Enter Garments, Sizes and Palettes. Import Garments TGS file. Step 8. Enter Devices and Presets. Select X2S printer. Output method is File. Export directory to D drive RIP. Then come to the D drive. Create a new RIP folder. Return to the software and click Save. Return to the D drive software directory.
Now it's time to install our Photoshop PS software. Double-click to open. Here are the installation instructions. We unzip the PS software compressed package, and the action commands are also decompressed. PS after decompression is complete. Double-click PS. Open the PS software folder. Find the PS icon. Right-click. Same goes for sending to desktop shortcut. We reduce the window. Let's double-click to open. Then we select the window menu bar. Action item. There is a loading action in the upper right corner. Click. Find an action command, you just unzip it in Photoshop. Double-click to install. This way there is a shortcut key for F2, F3, and F4. In this way, our PS installation is complete.